Yeah, let's get started. Yeah, visible. Okay, let's go. Yeah, again, welcome. Today again we are back with our lead code. Okay, I need to like edit it. First, let me edit lead code day 6 and day 6. Yeah, not linked list. Array. Let's go. Save. Then let's go to the array question. For our array question day 6. Let's go. No. Pick one. Easy. Oh yeah, sure. Let me bring my book first. Array. Let's go. Array. Pick one boy. Today date is 29th December 2022. Kimdocha. Check if a string is a prefix of array. Okay. Given a string S and an array of strings, determine whether given a string S, check if a string is a prefix of array. Okay. Okay. Oh shit, did I check this one? Using starts with, okay. Given a string S and an array of strings words, determine whether it's. Oh yes, I have checked it. Prefix of array. I did have solved this. These are the words I love LeetCode. I. Yes, it starts with I. A string S is a prefix array if can be made by concatenating the first k strings. Okay, if it can be made using. Yeah, I think you can use starts with. Yeah, but yeah, if it doesn't, false. Apples no false because it is impossible to make S using a prefix of array. Yeah, you can like brute force is like first check if I okay counter is love, then check for each love, then true, then again check for lead code book. But instead you can use prefix if S dot starts with this all these strings. Let's say with two strings we make use of a string S. Let's say prefix string. We make use of prefix string, which should be equal to, which should be plus equals to arr of I, right? If our prefix string, if our main string which is s dot starts with, I don't know how to like start with. Is it like this? For what? Let me check. Starts with, starts with prefix string. If it doesn't start, return. We'll just return false. If it doesn't start with prefix string, return false. Else return true. Perfect. Let's say while, instead of while for, let me just declare a string, string, prefix string, initially empty string, while for int I equals to 0, I is less than words, no? Words dot length plus you can just use break if it doesn't match or return false. Oh, instead of for looping, I can use string word over words, right? My prefix string plus equals to word, right? If my s dot starts with prefix string prefix string, if it doesn't start, return return false, else should you not here return true, right? So let me just check it out. String prefix string word prefix string plus equals to word. Okay, if it doesn't start with prefix string, return false. Run it. Starts with starts with like I forgot it. Starts with I'll starts with isn't like s, right? Method starts with type string arts wt. Ah, what the hell? For string word over words prefix string plus equals to word. I don't know. Prefix string if s dot starts with what the hell? Method starts with I don't know. I'm making mistake. Is W capital? I don't know. Let's check. Okay, yeah, it's. I think they need to update this. It's W is capital. Oh, it's JavaScript. No, it's Python starts with. Okay, come on, man. For output was false, but it's true. What? Oh, yeah. Initially, for string of words, string equals to 1, return false, matches, I love, then it added love. Okay, where did I go wrong? Result, it was true. Okay, it was true. False, but output false. String of words. Okay, okay, okay. So let me check here. I love. Oh, wait a minute. Isn't it true? Okay, if you have reached S. Okay, okay. It's not true like once you have reached. Okay, okay. You need to return true my if ever my S dot equals starts with no sorry S dot equals 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 my prefix string if ever. Let's say return true. Right. Equals S dot eq. I forgot the spelling. Eq u q u a. Wait a minute. Equal. Wait a minute. Equals. If equals my string equals equals equals. Wait a minute. Cannot find variable as of type string. The hell? What the heck is? Uh, equals. What the hell? अच्छा, QUALS. Oh shit. Let me just something do like can only contains lowercase and English cases. Okay. So one just find out length always less than equal to one. What if the length is one? It's also I think it should work. But what if I did I no no that's not good. Perfect. Yeah, I think it's perfect now. Its space is like what's the time complex? Okay. I'm passing off n. I need to like check for time complexity of string functions. Inbuilt. Yes. While calculating, yes, I was thinking it must be the uh, do we consider time complexity of inbuilt functions stack overflow? Since it's not exactly of n, it should be like uh, n is like uh, uh, but I am checking it with if it starts with so let's say the max size is whole string. It should be O of n plus n. It should be O of n plus n if the max size is n is the size of the like whole string there. To like discuss, but I haven't even submitted it first. I need to submit it. But I think it should be O of n plus n, even if it's 347. Yeah, second asterisk is okay. While CCC output row executed false. Okay, wait. Yeah, I don't know what is false in this. A string is a prefix of words if it can be made by comparing the first case strings in the words. Move on in the first case in words for comparative case. Okay, not like that. If I can make a whole string other than, okay, I think I understood the problem wrong. Shit. Okay, perfect. If I can make this, I can make a string from these words. If S can be never consume the first case strings in the words. Okay. If I can make I love lead code from this first case strings, no, because apples can't make it. I can make it using I love, but I love lead code, but apples has the first case string. Okay, no, it's not valid. 96.89. Okay, there is a generalizable solution. What is it? Okay, it's time complexity is, what should I say, of n traversing over the whole array, but and if maximum would be O of n plus m. I mean, max say, time would be O of n plus m. N equals to length of array and m comma m would equals to length of string. Right? Space is of ah one. Space is not using any extra data structure, right? Constant. One. Perfect. But now what do I do need to check is time complexity of complexity of s dot q equals. Hmm. Okay, so of n plus m, right? N is size of length. But if you like take into consideration the equals method, now you would say that it's like of n time equals method will take often, but you know, yes, generally should take often, but there's a catch also. It will take off one if the length of s and length of prefix string is not same, right? If length of prefix string is equal to s, then it would take off n. But if its length is not same, it will first check, right, if their length is same or not, right? And the calculating length is of n is it's a constant time because I think it's already cached, I guess, constant time. So it would be take constant, and in our case, it would be constant because since we are like concatenating, if ever it's not equal to, then it's of n plus not m. So it would technically be of if ever it becomes equal, it's of n plus n. Perfect, of n plus m, and then it will like compare character by character. Return true, return false. Perfect. If the strings are identical, they are the same object, so equal by definition, so the result is true. Okay, belong if the two strings belong to the same object. It's even if you are able to check the computer you only need to take one different character to prove meaning. So for randomly choosing, it's average of often to compare two strings. If the strings are if you are able to check pre-computer hash code which can prove that the two strings are not even have the same hash code. Okay, so it's not like it's not. So one is the case one. I think this is worth noting. First question is check the first string. Oh yeah, you can also do that. Or what you can do is I don't need to check for entirety of strings. Like if my s ever becomes my words dot length ever becomes if my right if my words dot length ever becomes greater than I can just like avoid it if my words dot length not words dot length prefix string dot length greater ever becomes greater than my s dot length then return false, right? That should also be true. Then I think it would be prefix string dot length if ever becomes the function. It isn't false. Otherwise, you could just it would certainly be less than of n. Yeah, I mean now it's still 1 millisecond. Right? Problem. How much time will it take 1 millisecond? 96.89. What's the problem? N into n. How did like it? So of n into chain. No, oh, n into n is like no. JavaScript. Space is yeah space also often not using the extra. No, my space is not of n. One space is actually of n length of string, and my time would be of n plus m. And alright, so how can I make my space as constant? That's my next. Make it like, hmm, so how should I do? Hmm, how should I do that? Like return true if false. No, no, no. Make it constant space. How can I decrease in space? Hmm. So you mean I need to like, okay. So what if I cut my S string? Okay, okay. I can do like, let's say I have passed I. Okay, it's I. Okay. Check next times to check this. Next is love. Can my I have checked I. Return true. Love true. Okay. If it's like if I can pass love, if ever a character becomes same, different, false. And neither like pointer. Okay. Okay, okay. Summon this shit. चुप मत रहना. Yes, I got it. I got it. Let's say I have a pointer in time. Initially, it would be zero. Okay. So what I mean is, if my I will be taking care of int I int sorry, here I will make the j. Like if not int I equals to zero, right? I would be less than words dot length I plus plus. Okay. If my then I can make like another for to do over this. Hmm. 0 0 0. Yeah, perfect. I need a for loop again. Then it would be like it would be greater than of n. It would be O of n plus passing over each. If I ever reach the end, not of n plus n. Yeah. Let's say I have passed I. If not, okay, I. Second is love. Pass over love. True. Lead code. True. I love LeetCode. So what's this then? It should be of M. Like if it contains, so it's like of M. Worst case is like when it doesn't contain this string. Yeah. I mean that would be like when it, okay, that would still be like it would be okay. So O of it would be like O of M, but instead in each M it would be like it would be O of N. Let's say I'm passing with words. If first found I. Okay. Next. pointer love. Or is every passing more love and lead code 3 4 3. It would be was not was 3. Okay, here I don't know in it is very into like case options. Okay, k number of options. Right now, so it would be of k into length of each option. I don't know what's the length of each option. There, but they would add up to O of n k plus n. Oh, nothing more the string k plus would be over k plus n. Number of substring is divided. It is also like k. K is like number of substring. The string is divided into 2. And n is the size of string. It doesn't actually depend on the length of the array. Let's say this case. So what can I reduce the time by love code? Okay, perfect. Lovely code. Okay, let me just fixing solutions are of n. It's like often what do you mean by n? Yeah, it's like spatial so like n. How is like space? Hmm. Okay, if character in its equals to words of one in okay. No, it's not going to be this way. Actually, character index is 0. Character index is equal to word index is also equal to 0. And that length is like 1. No, then if character index is equal to positive construct character is not equal to character index, it's true. If you ever found the word, I'm just checking S in okay. Okay, he has made use of. Okay, single point. Okay, I zero. It should be a zero. If it's one here, then this word minus I. Let's say one. Oh, okay. So yeah, okay, so here zero, but here it's one. How should I like add its previous with? Okay, let's say my word pointer is one. Okay, I made use of. Let's say character index and word index. Just char index and here's word index. Okay. Now, if my char index, since my character index equals to word index plus, let's say I have passed by, okay, 0 0 initially, my words of words of word index plus something, I don't know. The word index is 1. Standard index is also 1. Okay? In love, word index minus, no, sorry, char index minus word index, right? I and I now here is my character index 1. The word index also 1, but my character will be 0. Again, uh, 0 1 2 2 minus 1 1 here. Let's say 0 1 2 3 4 4 past 4 index, fifth index, that is fifth 3 3 minus 2 3 4 5. It's now my word index is 3, kept as 0, but 0 1 2 3 4 4 5 5 minus is 2, 0 1 2. It can go like that, like what's a 0 1 2 3. Okay. I don't need like another for loop. In a single for loop, I need to like check. Okay. Yeah. Let's say here you have a word. Let's, how should I imagine it? Let me just imagine it. I need to check S and words with a single pointer. Okay. I'm at lead. Let's say I'm at lead. Lead code is here. My 0 is a single pointer. Let's say lead has arrived. And my next word is lead code. Now 0 is corresponds to fifth. Word index should be L. I need to like add all these, but it's not this. It should be 0. Hmm. I think I need to initialize my word index always 0. Start from 0. It's equals to character index is equal to. So move ahead, move ahead, move ahead, move ahead, move ahead, move ahead. Now if my character index is equal to 0, I have two options. Either I pass over words or either I can pass over stringness. If I pass over stringness, then I have a very lose access to this index. But what if I pass over this and check what it is? If I pass over this and check for it, it would be same time, right? If I pass over first, it would like k would it would be always less time. Like if you pass over this, it will be off. But in each you are checking with words. But if you part over word, hmm. If you like somehow I can pass over this with checking it. This let's say I have I. Word index is 0. My next is love. But I don't know where it's love. Like I don't know. If L will arrive at it after it. Okay, let's say I. Both are same index. Both are of equal length. Then I will be checking. My word index will be just go ahead. Now just check for love. No, I increase my word next would increase to 1. Okay, it should be I plus something word index, which is 0, 0, true. But my word index is not word index. Word, let's say word index, yeah, 0. Change. And it will just blend. Unless okay, so I'm really passing over word index. Let's say if I, word index is 0, I is equal to word index of cat, 0, true. Move ahead. I will be, but it's not true. It's like, yeah, what dot length is like true. Ah, well, let me just check the solution first. Tags. I think I need to improve my problem solving rather than focusing on that. Space is of one. Let's say public boolean word index if the current character index is greater than the word length. Okay, next. Okay, let me current word character is not equal to current character in a given form. Okay, character index and word index. Okay, initially both 0. If character index equals to words of word index is 0, which is like I dot length. Yeah, they are true. Initially they are true, but it's not always true. If it was like I love, then initially my first name was I love. What would I do then? Correct. If that's not true, then s dot character of I is like 0 is equal to, not equal to words of word index initially 0 character at char index. This I think he has taken 3 char index. Okay, char index. Okay, he has taken 3 pointer. Ultimately, he has taken 3 pointers, right? You need to take 3 pointers. You can also like pass over this and then get this. Yes, I think I had like word index 0 pass over this. My initial word index is equal to, or if it's less than, I check for word index. If my current character is greater than the word index, then I have to increase my word index. Otherwise, if it's same, I will check for the word. Okay, I think I should be writing a pseudo code. If let's say my character index is here. Character index here means passing over word. To pass over word, my word index to pass over words, word I to pass to pass. Okay, let's say initially, if their length is not same, I need to increase word index. Let's say if their length is same, initially consider I and I same true. Then check for each character. Character index 0. If s dot character the position of I is equal to words of word index. Let's say initially let's say s dot character at the position of I equal to words of word index dot character at the position of I not I char index. If it is true, then what do I need to do? Return, then continue. Increase my char- character index plus plus. Character index again increased, but it has passed the words dot length. So if ever ever character index is greater my words dot length, my word index should be greater. Increase my word index. Character index is greater than once my character index becomes greater than word index, increase my word index. Right now it's love. My character index will again and make character index as 0. 0. Increase my character index as well as increase my nothing. Don't increase my. I need to increase I. I need to check here. Let me put this content after this. If I ever check, right. So let's begin. For int I equals to 0, I is less than s dot length I plus plus. If character index of if a words of this if s dot character at the position of I ever equals my words of word dot character at the position of char index. Right? Step becomes equal. I can check it with like count or variables. It's just like if they aren't equal, return false. Else else if it can false. Okay, now if they are C, so I need to increase my char index. But if ever my character index crosses my word index, word index dot length index dot length uh, becomes, I need to make my character index as 0, my word index plus plus, wait, int make character index equals to 0, comma word index again as 0, and make perfect. This word index is 0. If you ever done this, just return true, which means you have passed it. Character index ever becomes greater than word index. Word index dot length greater than equal to my word index will be 1. This one is, let me just check where am I getting wrong. Okay, okay. I need to like okay. It has like I'll it prefer return true. Okay. In this case, I think it just return false. But here, I think I was a subset of I like return true. How should I check? In this case, I think it worked false. But after, let's say, I think I make it. If I make it like I love LeetCode, this is true. Like, I love LeetCode. Run. If we return true, yeah. What if I add like after LeetCode as apples? What if I add here apples? It would return false. Oh yeah, it's true. Why? Oh yeah, I think I'm passing or it's written. Okay. So, but apples and but this is the case when my I s is less than words dot length of I. Okay, but what if I add I? Well, it would like, but what if I like and I love? Why it won't run, right? So what I need to do is increase my. I need to add something more, like if a counter variable if my I love character index. If I increase my character index, hmm, is there any constraint here? I think it should be true, but what if it's not? I haven't reached like end of this string too. What should I do now? This is a subset. I think now that's an anomaly. Anomaly we can say. Shit. Yeah, I think I wasted an hour on this solution. What has he done? Oh, okay. Hmm. Okay. I think I was something like that. If my given that was index of character index is greater than word index word of word index length. It hasn't completely passed it, right? Less than not equal what length? Answer. Then But why did it return false in this case? My level code. Okay, if my it has included it. Yeah, I think we have is before changing if my I love lead code. It has ended E. Now it's time to end, right? Once it has reached E, it has checked E. Okay, if my asset character, yeah, it's true. It has true. No, it's not true. Character index equals to words with those length. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not it shouldn't be 0. It should be like it shouldn't be like what's the words dot like index -1. It should be something like -1. If ever my uh, equals to s length -1 and then my char index equals to words of no, yeah, return true. Then if I see index out of here, if vision of I position of I is not equal to words of word index initial equals 0, then I don't know. Just need to check it. Damn man, I don't do it. I think why did I choose it? Okay, yeah, I initially increase it. That's why. No, it's not -1. It should be if it's equal to increase. Okay. If ever my I was equal to s dot length -1, return true. Perfect. Wow. I love LeetCode. I love LeetCode. My test case apples. Reset test cases. I love LeetCode. Apple follow. Open source. Do I have a constraint where my words dot length is always greater than? If I ever run out of words, if my s dot length is my words dot length is or my word index is greater than equals to words dot length. If I ever run out of words, then and my sprint hasn't been completed yet. Just some minutes, some. Yeah, I think I had word banana equals a. I put true but false. I can't make right. A. What's the problem? A initially checks with a. Okay, but my char index is less than. C. C control X. Control V. Control C. Control X. V. Oh, not here. Oh shit. Still one man. Come on. Oh wait, I just drink water and come. I think I learned a lot from this. First thing I learned is like, hmm, hmm, what let's say if this question, this array wasn't a prefix. Instead of a prefix, it was something like different. Hmm. And why did this two pointer approach work in this case? Because I think as of I means like yeah, I think there is a particular order. No, this approach won't work if I want to like uh instead of prefix of an array, if my like element is scattered, like my if my if it wasn't a prefix, like apples would become first. If it was like the string was like apples first, in this case, like let me tell you, it was like something. Hmm, no, where's my like description console? Yeah, if instead of apples, apples were here, apples were here, and my I would be here, it would still return true. The two pointer approach won't work in this case. Hmm. चलो water पानी की the time complexity is reduced to of one of n and space is echo of one. If you use like traditional method, huh? Huh? Hmm. No. Yeah. If you use a traditional method where we take a string, add each element at each word, and check each time. So my time would be O of k, right, plus m, number of subsets, length of s. Space would be O of m. But our second method is two pointer approach. Two pointer where what I'm doing is parsing the string, given string. Okay, and and simultaneously checking word index, word index, Dot character at the position of char index equal to s dot character at the position of I. Let's say my word index to parse over words array. My char index to parse over word array, word string, and my I to parse over given string. अनुता कौन है? अनुता कोई आया क्या अभी मम्मी? Perfect. And why is there like 53.9 only? Well, it was a good. I have solved it. Go back. Okay, Dogja. Ancient dream, oldest dream. Tags, tags, tags. Difficulty, difficulty, easy tags. Number of favors. Notes. Pick one. Hi, Malik. Tucson. Uh-oh. Okay, okay, okay. Let me wash my hands, bitches. अरे भाई इसके लिए ये तो डालते हैं मम्मा आप मम्मी कारपेट को डाल देते क्यों कोई नहीं आया तो मम्मी मम्मी कोई नहीं आया तो 5 मिनट में ओ मम्मी 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 5 मिनट में कोई नहीं आया तो हम्म Boom, boom, bam, 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 bam. Let's get started to some man. How about a threesome? Well, if you are lucky enough to solve that one, I don't know. Given an array of integers from side integer target, integer of return the indices and they add up to that. First one is a brute force. You can take two and check for each offense square. It's like offense square. Okay. Why is like offense square? Two, check ahead on this. And seven, move ahead. No. 11, two, 9, yes, two. Any order, which means like you may not use the same element exactly one solution. 2, 7, okay, 7, 11, okay, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 2, and 4. So 3 move ahead, 1. Okay. Okay, solution that is lesson of expert and complexity. But why is like it's O of x square? Because for each element I am traversing almost the whole of array, and for n I am traversing n minus 1 elements. But in our previous case, I think where we solved my our previous case here, mm, my previous case was where I was on previous case. It was not it was wait, the string is prefixed or not. I think that was the previous one. Yeah, I was talking about I. But once I reach lead code, I'll be traversing over lead code, whole of the string. Once I reach and well, I think simultaneously not each iteration I'm doing. That's why it's open. But initially, like for if I parse over your lead code, I parsing over okay, so love, then parsing over love who as whole, not simultaneously. Okay, so that's why k, and each time I'm performing it like something I don't know. Max would be like k. A bit of time complex. I think I'm just confused when do I need to use into and when do I need to use plus. Okay, let me just go when do you multiply? How to wait? How to differentiate between O of n into n and O of n plus n time complexity? Yeah, I think I'm thinking that often consist of one, which is often in day. Not often plus n. Like y is to some array O of n square. Start of two. Why is it like of n square? Because I'm passing 2. I'm like literally passing 2 over 7. 7. Move ahead over. I'm performing each operation. First operation I will be performing in minus 1 times. Second operation in minus 2. Third operation in minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Yeah, it's order of n. N square. It is n square minus 1. But in this case, I'm not performing each operation at times, right? Like I'm not stopping here and then performing this operation. I'm performing this operation as well as this operation same time. This operation is like in a constant time. This is whole constant time. It takes a constant time. It's not increasing in any case. Or let's say it's not increasing in any case. This for loop constant time is not depending on. Oh yes, you can think it this way. Okay, okay. This for loop, this whole is a constant time. It is not dependent on length of the string or any of the string. Right? This operation is constant. But if you put a for loop in this, now let's say okay, it will increase the now this for loop execution of this for loop will be dependent on this. Right? Now this for loop is again going n times. Right? So each operation is being performed n times. So of n square. But it's not case, it's constant of n. Each for loop performs one. Okay, but this operation, which is constant, is being performed n number of times. So it's of n. But in this case, let's say for again move ahead n minus one times. That now this is dependent, not constant, like say instead for loop. Okay, so that's why it's of n square. But yes, what if I say okay, time complexity of nested for loop where m is constant stack overflow. Can a nested for loop have constant? Can a nested for loop can have of n complex? Okay. Yes, you can. I think I just got it. It's constant. But here you see this. That is something major here. What? Have learned something major? Zero. I slash n. I plus plus. Okay. Here is and again here for n. I push to 0. I plus plus. Do something. Do something. It is like constant of O of 1. It is O of 1. Now this is like O of 1. This is O of n. This will have O of n complexity. But whenever I make it here n, this n, it will have a time complexity of O n into n. Always. And it will also depend if you like do something time consuming here. But yeah, that's the main point I got at the end. Perfect. Learning, major learning. For time of instance. But instead Time is of n because nested for is independent and you can think like each operation performed a constant number of times. का तू क्या करती है का okay next this is our second round or in I equals to 0 this is brute force and using square method yeah but 3 2 1 4 let's say now let's say you can also use like two string you need to return the so I can like perform sorting obviously perform it and now perform hashing like a hash map to okay 2 into sum of 7 got it finger indexes you can do that that's much better for for linked list you always check four conditions that is and even and odd number 1 2 what if there's it will just hit what if it is initially but what if in what do you check in mm, linked list pattern what if you check in you will do like hashing hash set what can they do brute force hash map sorting hash map brute force hash map sorting hash map may help you yeah, what do I need ahead similar to two subtraction right I just need to like add that element perfect it's easy you get started with your hash map integer comma integer and issue 10 is always less than 2 related to hash map of let's say a map equals to new hash map check defined let's say for in I equals to 0 I is less than 1 dot length I plus if it's present add otherwise don't add if map dot get map dot if it contains then get it wait a minute 2 instead of like adding 2 as 2 what do you need okay, 7 map dot contains key let's say initially what does 2 need it needs 7 it contains key that is my RLC key would be equals to num of I target minus num of I or all elements like 15 cannot have that. Target minus nums of I if that oh wait int key equals to target minus nums of I, right? But the key if mapped if it contains this key, then return ARR of answer of 0. Answer of 0 would be that, and answer of 0 would be this. Let's see, map dot get key comma and my answer of 1 would be what is it needs an entry. My 1 will be current element. What do you read else and then return answer. Yes. If somebody needs 7, this word needs 7. Okay, it will check first. And index would be if it doesn't contain. So what do we need? Map of add. What should be key? Key would be this, and it should be index. Right? If it doesn't contain 7. Now, I don't contain that key. It should be nums of I. Right? 7. Yes. Key is being I have no 3. 3 needs a value of 3. Okay. Map dot add key would be I was 15 and my I would be 2. Second move ahead 2. If it does the remaining need 2, no, then 2 would be like move ahead. 2 would be needing a 4. 4. It doesn't need a contain. Return map. If it doesn't contain, it is yes. Somebody needs answer. Now this is like of n I'm using a hash map of self. Worst case would be hash map of n of all elements. Hash map and int of let's say n is equals to new int. Let's say 2. Yeah, I need 2. So then yeah, so, oh, I think I forgot to write time and space complexity. My time would be of n 0. Not my space would be of n. Perfect. Oh, not add. Snap dot put because return value. Okay, target 9 minus 1 so 5. No, not don't hit my okay. Nums of I. Now I think I need to check some cases here. Negative values is it has incorporated. Okay, then let's see given variable and okay. Num short length is always less than equal to 10 to 4. this generated code less than equal to 10 raised to 4 but greater than equal to 2. But if it's 2, my number length is 2. I mean, 2. As it is, I think it's perfect. And this is not this. Let's have some independent. Okay. Do some oh shit. Prediction method. What's the question? Shortest. It's negative. Can make arithmetic progression from sequence. Okay. So before need like need to make I think to solve the equation. Brute force O n square comma O one. Second is national O and space should also be O. This is 2 minutes ago. What's the question number? Check it from this prefix array. Question number 1961 and this one. 1961. Oh, one. Easy. Let's move ahead. Yeah, man, what's the time? Oh, a sequence of number is called an arithmetic progression. It's the difference between any two consecutive elements. Oh yeah, and arithmetic progression. 3.5. All this one. Yes, first method is like check the difference between this and this. 3 minus 5. If it's equal to some common difference. Okay, given an array and return true if the array can be used to form an arithmetic progression, otherwise return false. Okay. Okay. If we can make an arithmetic progression from this, okay, how can we solve it? What's the length maximum return? What is my common difference? It might be either greater. I think this is similar to monotonic question, where because I don't know initially what's the difference. I need to first sort the elements. If I sort the elements, then the common difference can be either if let's say the common difference is if there exists an array where common difference is increasing to if the common difference is decreasing. Yeah, if I sort the array, then there should be it would be of n log n. Sorting the array would take of n log n. Arrays dot sort arr. Right. Once you sort 135, then check if 1 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 5. Check for all the elements. For int I equals to 0, I is less than. Yeah. I think I thought I first was similar to monotonic, but if you need to like move ahead, you can just check it. What I arrays dot sort nums. Yeah. Right. Now, if just pass it like for int I equals to 0, I is less than nums dot length. Yeah, dot length. Let's check for everything. If ARR of this make it like mention 1 2 mention ARR dot length ARR of I minus ARR of I minus 1 is not equal to, let's say, common difference. Then return, we generally in mathematics we denote it by D. So return false is return true. Initially ARR of I minus see return perfect. Summary. My space, my time is for n, my space is constant. Yeah, summary. Oh, shit. N log n sum log. Somebody has solved it. Mm, 0 milliseconds. How do you solve it? 0 milliseconds. I don't know. Let's check this out. Perfect. Login, login. You have it. Perfect. This is easy. Okay. What's the sum? Oh shit, I forgot. Second is like, which question is second? Can make arithmetic progression from sequence. What's like, can make, I hope it's like two something. One five, okay. Let me just check. Function zero thing second one. I haven't like sorted mean value and max. Okay, okay. Using second mean and second max? Oh, can make the question have to be arithmetic progression from sequence. Arithmetic progression from sequence. So three questions. Okay, okay. Okay, move ahead. Sort. Check it. Check. Arrow. Minus equals to B. Let's go. Pick one. Pick a good one, not a premium one. Solve them, please. Oh shit, man. Normal. These you are given an array of unique integer salary where salary of return the average salary of employee which will be nothing in answer. Okay, then wasn't it like same as sorted? I think this was like the trim one, trim mean of trim array to the sort. But mean of trim array is like extended version of this one. 4000 just subtract maximum and minimum. You can like sort it, then take average, but you can solve it in like often in one pass. So two passes, or after sorting, off and login. Off and is always better than off and login. So let's move ahead. Finding an maximum minimum using off and yeah, take two values. Minimum would be integer of max value, integer of mean value, maximum would be, and then just check if initially both sentences if it is greater than move ahead, move ahead, move ahead. And don't just like take tension, man. Come on. Average salary excluding minimum is like 2000 plus 3000. Then just like you can do it in one pass too. Like calculate the sum of all, subtract the sum of these minimum and maximum divided by yeah, off in one pass. Oh shit. Time. First you can like calculate sum, comma, mean value, comma, max, mean not mean max in one pass. Then subtract. This wasn't that hard. I think I should solve it in like 10 minutes. Otherwise, I should be ashamed of myself. Subtract sum, and I think I should be taking double. Yeah, subtract the sum of mean and max from OG sum. It, except for I have one name sum, then min equals to integer dot max value max will be integer dot min right, or int I should be equal to 0, I is less than salary or length I plus plus if my salary of I is less than minimum, right? Then my min would be salary, min would be salary of I. Else, again, if my salary of I is greater than max, my max would be salary of I. Return true. Yeah, move ahead. Nothing. And some plus equals to salary of return. Instead of int, I think I should take my sum as double. and if my return sum minus min plus max divided by hmm, C. Oh, double integer dot min value and int min value. Okay. DJ. Run. What's your question number? अच्छा Run. Perfect. One for now. Average salary. And I should put it as a last. But it isn't worth it. So the salary excluding min and max. Right. This is obviously like um, reduced version of question number. I don't know. I think this version of trim array. What's the question number of trim array? Yeah, 1619 trim array. In that trim array, I think I just have to like first sort it and then calculate. Chat rate is 0. No, no. Hello. Send it. audio stream. Wait a minute. Open vision. Man, like it's my even my audio like okay, okay. Chatter it is. It's views. Damn man, no. Ooh, oh, sad. Ah, that's why. Oh, I think I saw four. Well, I think those four questions are not worthy of these for time. I think I can go till 2:30, 2.5 hours, more 15 to 20 minutes more. Okay, and then I need to solve linked list questions too. Check if all ones are least at least length k level. Man, no, it's just shit. Let me just solve one medium tags array. Pick one. Man, parametrics. What the hell linked list? But I should be able to solve it. But I don't give a damn. Let's go, boy. You are given two integers and then which represent the dimensions of a matrix. Okay. You are also given the head of a linked list of integers. And the head is this man. Generate a m into n of a matrix that contains the integers in the spiral order clockwise. From top layer of the matrix, if there are remaining empty spaces, fill them with -1. I think I had solved this one. I don't know. 301 to the it's O of m into n, obviously it's of m into n. But and they should have at least like given me zero. But never mind. I need to like then fill initially like fill all the elements with -1. Can my node value is into m into n, value is into m into n. Okay. Sorry for like if the bits freebies like less than zero. Mic? What the heck is a mic? Let's go ahead. Excellent connection, it says. Okay. Well, I think let's see how much time it takes to solve this shit. Yeah, I think brute force like go up into end. One move ahead, move ahead, move ahead, fill the value. Reach the end. Reach end. Move down. How do I move down? Into a same array. Move ahead, move left. And how do I move left? How do I move left and right? Man, come on. I think if you want to move, let's say you move ahead, then over into end. Let's say you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A counter of 5, 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's say counter of 4. Okay, and a column row counter and a column counter. Okay. Then my column counter 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then I'll be like subtracting it. Row counter will be once my let's say row counter reaches and do the column counter. It's now my column counter will be 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now Once call counter end, start again the row counter, which will be like subtracting -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, 2 -1, 3 -1, 2 -1, 1 -1, 0. Reach again 0. Let's say yes again row counter, row counter greater than, less than, what's the size? M into n. No, let's say column counter. Okay, column counter less than n. Right, M into n. 4 columns. Yeah, it's 5 columns. You want to less than n. Right. Fill row, then enter. No, first go row, first go in the column, then go row. So let's say my answer of m and column counter. Let's say column equals to head dot val. Right. Then I will, once it reaches, while, let's say while end. Now again a while loop for a row, while my row counter is less than n. My answer of okay, so instead of like making it separate, why don't I make a row and column counter in the same? Okay. Initially my row counter, let's say my answer of uh, row counter equals to and column counter should be head dot head, right? Ultimately, this is what I need to this is how I will be filling the value, right? So initially I will be column. There should be a sense of direction. Let's say if it's positive, if it's column counter positive, let's say direction. Initially my direction should be 1. Direction should be 1 comma 1. Oh yeah, let's say direction. Direction, let's say direction will be 2 d, which is 1 comma 1. Increment, no, 0 comma 1. Incrementing row by 0 and column by 1. Then let's say I have incrementing row by 1 but column by 0. Then incrementing column by 1, decrementing column row by 0 and decrementing column by 1, and then again we have -1 comma 0, right? Decrementing row and incrementing column and remaining the same column, right? Direction, right? Now I will have this. Then this is what we do, and then what I can do is like, have I like submitted this earlier? No. Okay. Then you have काय इथेच आहे हो then answer of नाही का मी जेवलो तो आहे दुपारी दुपारी जेवलोय ना मी हा आणि मला भूक नाही आहे तू काय आणलंय का नाही row counter plus equals to my row counter equals to direction of I, and again simple. Then plus equals to direction of I. See, my same is for column count. Oh man, come on, man. Column counter plus equals to direction of I, ith direction of 0, but and it should be 1, right? Direction of 0, and this is what how we're doing. What direction? Get the direction, increment row, column, counter direction, put the head dot value in the counter. Now, how do I loop off? Now I need to just repeat this procedure, right? And what's the like till what value do I need to repeat this procedure, right? So first is like how do I get the direction? How do I set the direction? Okay, how do I set my direction? Initially my direction will be like here. I need to loop this every 4 times. Right? First would be here, second would be here. So it would be something like for loop till I'm on 4. I give 0, 1, 2, 3. I need to repeat this after every 4. And like I need to put the limitations of row counter and column counter too. Let's say my row counter is then I need to change my direction. If my column counter is then I need to change my direction. First start from here. This will be this column counter will be this. Let's say this is in a loop. Initially my loop. I don't know. So from here and ending it here. This should be looping more. Okay. So what I need to do? This if ever my column counter I need to increase my direction, right? If my row counter and column counter are within ranges, okay. If my row counter is something like greater than 0 and less than given like something like let's say end value. Similarly for and then my column counter is greater than equal to 0 is like greater than equal to 0 and less than something known as end value, row column end and row end. Column end and here it should be row end. Row end. It, if it doesn't do that, then make it. Else you need to do is hypothesis increment the direction, take the next direction. First it will 4 direction. Initially my I is equals to 0. Directions define the directions. My I is equal to 0. Okay. If my row counter is row end initially would be is less than row end, yeah, initially would be my row end is initially initially my row end is like, let's say, less than oh m, yeah, m should be less than 1, and my column end would be minus 1, and right, if my row counter is it's true, then row counter plus no control itself, control like just here. Okay, move it here. Answer of n will increment according to the direction, else this is move ahead again here, not here, here, move here, this is the loop. But then move again here, if row counter again, column counter, then row and again put values to here, which is the row end. Now it's not row, then change the direction, increment the rows, increment the column. Column is fourth, okay. Put the values again, put the values, and head also should be equal to head dot next. If you spell like that, right? Move it again to column and reach. This. After every 4, I need to decrement my row. Decrement this. Now do that and do that and do that and do this. Okay, reach the end. Now, but I will say I reached here. Okay, now I will be again decrementing my column counter. Now, what I do need to do, it has reached here, but I cannot learn. And then my answer of row counter it shouldn't be equal to minus 1. Like if it's equal to minus 1, then again it shouldn't be equal to minus 1 again. If it's equal to minus 1, okay, okay, it should not be equal. It should be equal to minus. If it's not, then you need to remove here. Then you need to like now don't do x plus plus minus r plus plus. Then you need to. There are two cases, right? How do I end up? First case is like how do I make here? First change the direction, which is like make again that to 0, and change the row and then column end. How do I handle these two? Now my if else would execute when if this is true and this is true. If so, I need to like differentiate. Let's just put there. If ever I will put this in a better X. if is equal to is not equal to, let's say initially is not equal to -1, then that would be like else. Okay. Hmm. This is else for this if. Otherwise, let's make it else here would be what you will do. You need to like increment the direction as well. No, you don't need to increment direction. You need to just make again 0, and you need to make increment the row counter. My row end would be just -1, and my column end would be equal to -1. 1. Right. And then I'll be looking over my while my I have my head not equal to null. Okay, head not equal to null. Check if answer of row counter is not equal to and don't do anything. Less than, yeah, I think it should be perfect. Let's see. Let's go ahead. Int direction equals to int equals to column and equals to it. Then you have a value here. If while I am doing it here, it, if you have if case here, this will end after this case. If here till here else after now column and minus. Perfect. Right. While my head not equals to null, if head the node return int answer in, I think I have not mentioned in equals to new int of size m and at answer of row counter and then the column and row end is see. And then See. Wait. हम्म, अच्छा रुको. रो काउंटर प्लस प्लस my row counter and color counter is 0 0, right? Then here again here it is 0 0. It should be like 1 1. Column counter plus column counter plus plus, right? I will need to define here comma row counter plus plus column counter plus plus 0 0, right? If my answer of row counter is not equal to my, so I need to like define for in equals to 0 as I less than n plus plus again for j equals to 0 and j is less than n j. Okay. Answer of I and j. With this I will select all the edit minus 1 while my head not equal to null. Head dot next if my answer of row counter is not equal to minus 1. Okay, it's minus 1. Row counter greater than or equal to row. My row counter is less than row and row column counter greater than 0 is true. Column and initially column and okay, perfect. Answer row head dot well. Row counter plus to direction of r0 I of 1 and then next. No, it should not end here. Instead, it should be ending here. Therefore, this L should be here and this while not equal to null return answer. Let's check. Oh wait, can't I like declaring initializing 2D part. It's like this. बना हम्म, column end. తను ఇక్కడ లైట్ ఆన్ करते का Let me just check if it's like matching, at least it's reaching here. It's like, hmm. It might be make some mistakes. Exactly. No issue. Okay. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, till minus 1. It's showing minus 1. And let increase with 0. 0. So I think it's something is wrong with it. Row counter is less than a row, and is it true my column counter should be greater than equal to 0? My should I spell this print? Print. कोण गेलेला? Let's check printing true false. Printing. It's true. There are only two cases. Oh shit, it's like not this man. Oh no. True. But then why is it not? If this is true. Now this is true. If my it's equal to minus 1, not equal to minus 1. True. Oh shit, no, this should be equal to minus 1. If it's not equal to minus 1, then I do this. Check what value it's printing now. Learning which I should be taking home. True, 3, true, 3, true. Let's say what is count of true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first 5 spelled it perfectly, but then it like worked out. This I think I knew what value it should be. Because after my row counter got implemented to it was like then I need to make my row counter not row counter row end, because let's see, this is for if it's not if it's equal to not equal to minus 1. So but what here it did like was my row counter, I need to decrement my row counter. my row counter in the management. The heck? हे कुठलं गाणं लावलंय? Column counter. No, wait. My row counter is like, I don't know if row counter is correct or not. I think I need to optimize it. Better me write it. Okay. Okay. How do I like create a better scenario? Okay. How do I first change the direction in a better way? I think this is the best way I can change my direction. M. I think it would be overlapping to 0, 1, 2, 3. Move ahead. 3. There's a minus 1. Here, column would be start filling 1, 2, minus 0, 1, 2, 3. It will become 4. Start filling. Then 4, 4, and it would be 3. And 2. Column count, row counter would be 2, 4. Now, I need to increase my direction. 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So start filling 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0, 1, 2 should be less than, let's say, should be greater than 0 instead of 1. I don't think what happens if I like reach the ends. I need like something when I reach end. I think I need to make sure that way. What's the time when I manage there? Yeah, let's just stop.